It has been possible to automatically add dimensions as you sketch in SolidWorks for a few releases. Whilst in the command, turn on Add Dimensions in the Property Manager or use the Add Dimension button on the pop-up tool. This will automatically add dimensions to each sketch entity as it is created. Turning this option off or holding down the Alt key should stop dimensions being added. But this, however, can sometimes be missed, leaving unwanted dimensions. SolidWorks 2013 has a new option to only create dimensions when a value is entered. This option enables fast creation of sketches in a much more natural and productive manner. Automatically add dimensions to lines, arcs, circles and rectangles while you sketch them to save time fully defining your sketches. I would like to change the arrowheads and make them solid. The SolidWorks Options dialog has many options to which particularly a new user could be quite involved and very daunting. The new option search in 2013 enables fast interactive searching through system options and document properties. The search results can be selected, taking you straight to the option and highlighting the option you require. SolidWorks 2013 also introduces sounds. This is very useful for tasks that could take a long time, like opening large files, meshing in simulation, or interference detection. SolidWorks can be set to make a sound alerting you that the task is complete. Before returning to the assembly, let's revolve this sketch and complete the design for the putter connecting peg. In the assembly, a quick interference check to ensure correct fit now activates our chosen sound. The orientation dialog has been enhanced for 2013 with new live model previews to help you understand how each standard view will orientate the model. Now, when you create a new view, it can not only be used in the current document, but it can be saved to SolidWorks and then reused to orientate other designs. Opening the putter weight shows the saved views available. Simply select which view you want to use in this particular part. To make selecting the correct standard view easier, the orientation dialog has a new option to show a view cube. With the view cube, you can access more standard views than you can with the dialog alone. The views are easy to understand and they can be accessed simply by selecting a face on the cube. The view cube button is persistent, so anytime it is selected and you hit the spacebar, you'll also see the cube. If you wish to view the view cube alone and not show the orientation dialog, simply press Ctrl and the spacebar. If you show the view cube but then decide not to pick an orientation, you can hit Escape or click in the background, which will return you straight back to the current view. New usability enhancements in SolidWorks 2013 will save you time in sketching, searching for options, and make orientating your designs easier and more productive.